Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post a story on Telegram. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, if you don't know how to post a story, first you need to go to settings and then on my profile here. If you open up your profile, you're going to get a menu like this, and you basically just want to click on add a post. Now let's just take a picture, and you can draw on it, add stickers, filters, you can make it disappear. But if I go to next, then you can choose who's going to view that story. So everyone can see the story, your contacts, close friends, or selected users. And of course, you can allow them to screenshot or post to their profile. And now if I want to see that story, just go under archived posts, click on it, and if you will have views, it's going to see it at the bottom left, some options who are here. You can save it, post it, edit it, and of course delete it, and see who have you pressed that can see the story. And of course, if you have also posted the story, you can just tap on your profile picture and it's also going to open up this story. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.